Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna learn about very simple but glammed up ponytail. Okay, so a ponytail is a typical hairstyle of a lot of women, especially moms on the go. It makes your hair neat, di ba? Away from the face, hindi mo kumahangin sa labas. So, I have some pieces here of hair that I used already. Like here, as you can see, curly na siya. I used the hair iron to curl my hair, but I also added some Keira clip-on human hair extensions in dark brown, 16 inches long. So I'm already wearing 2 pieces of the 3 clips dito sa middle part of my head, sa likod, which I curled. And also, I'm wearing already 2 pieces of the 2 clip Keira hair extensions. One here, so it's somewhere here, and the other one on the other side. So I'm just gonna finish this up with the extra hair, okay? So I'm gonna put it somewhere here and open the clip, close, and snap, like that. And the other one, I like kasi yung curls para maiba naman, hindi flat yung look. Mas may texture siya, mas may body, bouncy, and it's also nice to do this when you're going on a date, which I plan to do tonight, or maybe if you're attending a wedding, or a formal event, or a photo shoot, gathering, okay siya. So simple, you get your elastics, and also have a few pieces of bobby pins if you need to put it to secure. So there, I will tie up my hair. It can be a low pony, but I prefer something that's high para maiba naman yung look. There. So, hindi pa siya perfect, but I will start to clean it up later after the ponytail. Ang important is secure siya, and I like the length. See, kumapal na siya because of the clip-on extensions. Kasi kung wala, when you put your hair up, manipis tingnan. So parang walang naiba. That's why I like putting on the extensions para magkaroon kagad ng new look. So there, so I will press it like that, and I will fix this, pero hindi pa ako tapos dyan. Sa side, I will now start to get here from the pony, underneath. Iko-conceal ko yung elastic here by getting this group of strands ng hair, and I will put it around. Okay. Gawin ko muna siyang neat, so I will twist it a little. Then, I will start to wrap the pony with my strands of hair. Yeah. So there, twist, twist, twist. Keep it like that. Then, use the bobby pins. And insert. Then, i-feel nyo lang kung secure na siya. You can add more. So here, I have to insert another one. There. And last. There you go. So, konting smoothing na lang. Using this hairspray. Cover. Masakit sa mata. Okay. There. And you use this one. This is very handy for me kasi naaangat-angat ko yung ibang parts para mag-balance siya, para hindi siya flat na flat. So, and hindi ko naman tinis yung hair ko. Just the right volume. There you go. Yan. So there are other variations of this look. Actually, if you like something longer, you can try the 22 inches Keira hair extensions. But we can also show it to you sa ibang video namin. So just follow our links. Stay tuned for more hairstyles. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, Follow us on Twitter and Instagram.